Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Al-Quran Bayna Yadayk, and today is lesson 5 of the explanation of our foundational book Nurul Bayan, and today's topic is Al-Hurufu Al-Mutashabatu Kitabatan and Al-Hurufu Al-Mutashabatu Nutuqan. So for the first one, Al-Hurufu Al-Mutashabatu Kitabatan, these are Arabic letters that they look alike in their written form. So these are some of the examples why these are Arabic letters that looks alike when you pronounce them. So let's take a look at each of these sections. These are the ones that look alike in their written form. Ba, na. So as you can see, we have the dot below for the ba and the dot above for the nun. So they look alike and they can be easily be confused. You can easily get confused with them. Ta, ya, tha, sha, ja, kho, za, ro, da, da, do, so, zo, to, go, an, sha, sa, fa, o, la, ka, ta, ha, a, la, an, go, ta, ha, na, za, fa, go, an, go, a, an. So when you look at these letters, you will see that, look at them properly, you see that their written form, they look very much alike. They look very much alike, and if you are not careful, you are going to mistake them for one another. So you need to pay much attention. You need to be attentive while I read them again. Ba, na, ta, ya, tha, sha, ja, kho, za, ro, da, da, do, so, zo, to, go, an, sha, sa, fa, o, la, ka, ta, ha, a, la, an, go, ta, ha, na, za, fa, go, an, go, a, an. Now let's move on to the letters that looks alike whenever you pronounce them. Their pronunciation looks alike. Ko, ka, za, za, ta, sa, zo, za, ta, da, do, da, sa, so, fa, tha, to, ta, la, ro, zo, za, go, kho, an, ha, a, ha, za, tha, ha, sha. So let's recite them again. Ko, ka, za, za, tha, sa, zo, za, ta, da, do, da, sa, so, fa, tha, to, ta, la, ro, zo, za, go, kho, an, ha, a, ha, tha, ha, sha. So after you've understood each of these letters, so let's try another way of pronouncing them. let us pronounce them together so that your mouth could get used to them. Bana, bana, taya, taya, thasha, thasha, jakho, jakho, zaro, zaro, zada, zada, doso, doso, zoto, zoto, go'a, shasa, shasa, fako, fako, laka, laka, taha, taha, ala, ala, ango, ango, taha, taha, nada, nada, fago, fago, ango, ango, a'an. Let's recite them again. Bana, bana, taya, taya, thasha, thasha, jakho, jakho, zaro, zaro, zada, zada, doso, doso, zoto, zoto, go'a, shasa, shasa, fako, fako, laka, laka, taha, taha, ala, ala, ango, ango, taha, taha, nada, nada, fago, fago, ango, ango, a'an, like that. Now let's recite this together too. So some of these letters, there are some that comes out from the same place in your mouth. So they come out from the same place, just like vo and that. Vo and that. They have the same makhraj. They come out from the same place. So like to and ta. To and ta. So if you look at the position of your tongue while pronouncing them, you see that they are the same. They are the same. Like your tha and tha and tha, and a whole lot of them like that. Now let's pronounce this together too. Koka, koka, zaza, zaza, thasa, thasa, zoza, zoza, tada, tada, doda, doda, saso, saso, fatha, fatha, tota, tota, laro, laro, zoza, zoza, goho, goho, aha, 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 zatha, zatha, ha, 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 ha. You can see how difficult it is to pronounce these two letters together because they are same in where they come out. So in almost same in pronunciation. Let's recite them again. Koka, koka, zaza, 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 thasa, thasa, zoza, zoza, tada, tada, doda, doda, saso, saso, fatha, fatha, tota, tota, laro, laro, zoza, zoza, goho, goho, aha, 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 zatha, zatha, ha, 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 ha. So like that. So let's try as much as possible to practice it this way by reading them together. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us to read, to recite, and make our goal easier for us to attain. We should be able to recite the Quran as soon as possible. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.